Okay, this is how you make a Gorilla Tag copy Unity method for 2023 updates. Alright, so you want to go to my Discord server. I'm going to leave a link in the comments. And when you get in here, you want to go down. You want to go to 2023 projects. Then you want to pick one. Alright, so I'm just going to do... By the way, some of these might not work. They might have a broken rig. I don't really know. But if they do, just like leave a thread. Okay, so after you go to my server, go to 2023 projects, and then you want to press, let's see. I'm going to go with back to school since that's my favorite. You want to press, okay, you want to get on it, you want to press visit site. Okay, then you'll get to this. I'll say there was a problem with the preview. That doesn't really matter, but this is where you download the thing. You're gonna press download, okay, and then I'll say you did this thing, and then you're gonna press, okay, I'll say all of this stuff. You're gonna press download anyway, and then it'll start downloading to your thing. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see this, but you want to go to files, and then you want to go to the oh yeah, by the way, you need WinRAR for this, but you want to go to files, and then you want to go to back to school 2023 project, or whatever you downloaded that's in 2023, and then you want to click on it. You want to press extract files, and then it'll say like all of this, like it'll just say some random stuff, extraction path and options. You want to press OK. But I don't know if you guys can see this because the software I'm on is kind of weird. Okay, now you want to go into Unity. Also you need this version for most of them, but you need Unity of version 3.10.0 whatever for most of the projects. Okay, after you get Unity, you want to set up everything, and then you want to go to projects, go to add from disk. Okay, you go to downloads, and then back to school 2023 project, or whatever you're doing. You want to click inside of it, back, and then you want to click the same folder you went into, and then I'm pretty sure. Okay, so for me, in my case, I'm doing back to school 2023. So I open this, and then I'll say back to school 2023 again. This is 2 from, alright, whatever. So 2023. Then you want to go to that, and then you'll see Gorilla Tag, and then exported project. Most of the time it will say exported project or whatever. You can rename it if you want the project to be something else, but whatever. I'm gonna rename it just for some reason. I don't care. It's gonna like Zorch 23 back to school. Alright, I'm gonna press add project. Then you'll see there's an error here. You wanna click on that error. You'll see install version 21.3.33 or whatever version it says to install. You wanna press install version, and then you'll see all of this. You can press documentation, but I wouldn't. It's an extra few megabytes. But you wanna make sure this is selected, this selected, this selected, this selected. Okay, say Android NDK, SDK tools, OpenJDK, Android build support, all of that. You can press continue. I have read and agree with the above terms and conditions. Check that, and then continue. And then I have read the agree. Again, install. And then you gotta wait for this to install. It doesn't take very too long if you have a good PC, but if you don't, it's gonna take a little while. Also, you do need Visual Studio Code, unless this stuff is not gonna very work. Okay, so after you're in your project, you'll see a bunch of all of this stuff. Okay, you'll see clouds, all of this stuff. Okay, so what you need to do when you first get in, you want to go over here. Okay, you're gonna see this gorilla. You're gonna click on this thing, and then you want to go to local gorilla player, and you want to move it like kinda out of the ground, okay, like that. After that, you want to go to, alright, you want to go search here, Playfab Authenticator. Okay. Alright, you want to click this, make sure you have Visual Studio Code. Anyway, Playfab Authenticator, you want to go into the server, Playfab Authenticator fix, you want to go to Playfab Auth v2, you want to download this, you want to open the thing, you're going to go to downloads, you can't see the file thing, but anyway, you're going to go to Playfab Auth v2, you want to open it, okay, and after that, you want to press Control A, and then Control C, okay, and then you want to close out of that. Alright, you would go back into the CS thing, press Control A, and then Control V. Okay, you're going to press Control F, Futon, enter. Alright, here, this is where it is. You want to put your real-time ID here, and your voice ID here, and also your Playfab title ID here. Anyway, that's all you really need to do in here. You're gonna press File and then Save, and yeah. Okay, so then after you're done with that, you really are pretty done. But okay, so for some updates, these crystals are broken. They're kind of weird. You can leave them like this. I'm gonna leave them like this because it's kind of cool, but you can find the materials to like fix these crystals and the materials thing. But I'm gonna leave them like this because it's kind of cool. Anyway, but to change like the text and stuff, you can go like this. You have to do this first, and then you can start doing stuff like that. And also make sure you put on caps lock on this. People aren't going to be able to see stuff like, see, now people aren't going to be able to see stuff. And you can also change the color, like message of the day, you can make it red. And also, if you really wanted, you can change the color of the rock monkey and stuff like that. So I'm going to teach you how to do that real quick. Go to materials. Alright, then you want to go down until you see the rock monkey or lava monkey texture. Alright, we're gonna do the ice texture. Alright, to do the ice texture, you can only do a little bit of colors because it's kind of weird, but you can do like red, which is kind of hard to show. I think the best ones to do is green, purple, and dark blue. I'm gonna do green. Actually, no, I'm gonna do purple. And then this is the infected one. Alright, there's a few ways to do this. Okay, one is you only have limited colors. Like, you can go to red. Do a little bit of colors. But you can't do that much colors. I'm gonna do green for now. But that's how you do it, like the normal way. But you can also do it. This is very easy to do. You can go like white. You can make it pink. I'm gonna make it white. But so this is how you do the infected color. You wanna go back to my Discord server. You wanna go down. Oh, wrong Discord server. My bad. You can go back to my Discord server. Down, go up, and then you'll see custom unity things, thingy things, alright, whatever. It says lava monkey texture, press that. Alright, so there's all these textures, so choose the one that you want. This one's kind of weird, but I like it, so actually, yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this texture. Alright, so you want to download this, save image. Now you want to go back into this. And if you want all those colors, go back to here, make this all the way white. Alright, and then go to assets, you're gonna press import asset, new asset, and then the image that you just saved. Okay, this is the image. remember this name, image 5647. You're gonna go back to materials. You're gonna go down. Do you see this? Infected. You're gonna do this, and then you wanna type in image here, and this is it. And then boom. Put it. Oh my god. You can put it here. This is basically not really what it's gonna look like. It's hard to. I'm gonna put it here. This is what the lava monkey is gonna look like if you do this method. I personally, it kind of looks weird, but anyway, this is the lava monkey that I'm gonna choose. If you go over here, as you can see, this is weird. So I'm gonna fix this shader. So to fix this shader, you're gonna go into here. You wanna share things. Import new asset, and then you wanna download the wind shader. Okay, wind shader, and then you wanna go here. Okay, and then you wanna go to. All right, here's the shader. You wanna do a different one. It's gonna be wind shader fixed. Boom. This is the fixed wind shader. Then also for the water shader, if it's also broken, I think you go here, water shader. Then put here. There we go. Yeah, this is the fixed water shader. This update already has the fixed one on how to, like, they have the right day and night cycle. If you do need to put that on, this is how you basically do it. Alright, go to assets, import. Oh yeah, go back to shaders. Alright, so you want to go back to materials. So, wrong one. Alright, you want to pick anyone that isn't like that has you want to unselect ones that have like stuff like that. So control A. Press file save.